Welcome to day 6 of the Diastasis Recti challenge. Today is about rest. Because as a mother, your postpartum journey does not go in a straight line like this. There are so many things happening for you. Your hormones, needy kids, lots of social pressures that you're putting on your own self. All of these things have an impact on your journey, particularly your fitness journey. And it's so important to know that stronger, harder, pushing, going full on is not the direction upwards in terms of your fitness recovery. You actually need some downtime to help balance out your stress hormones, to help you actually achieve your goals. So this right here is not a waste of time, and I highly recommend you don't skip over it because you need it and you need some downtime. So let's get started by lying down. As always, onto your back, rolling first through your side. Now, if you've got a cushion, blankets, anything extra, make sure that you're warm. Lengthen your legs out one at a time, nice and long. Let your palms face up and allow yourself to breathe here. Bring your focus to your breath in. And your breath out. Notice your belly rise as you breathe in. Notice it fall as you breathe out. As we aim to slow and deepen this breath, we'll start with a counting breath pattern. So follow my count or stay within your own pace as we breathe in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. One more round, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. Slowly draw one knee towards your chest, followed by the other. Clasp your hands over the knees and just rock your knees from side to side, massaging into your lower back. So allowing yourself to breathe deep like that helps to stimulate into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is so ideal for your recovery. It helps us to recover, whereas if you stay in a high stress state, you're not necessarily going to recover as well postpartum. Let's slowly lower one foot down, followed by the other. Hands rest down by your side, feet flat, knees bent, feet hip distance. Take a breath in. As you exhale, control this. Tuck the tailbone under. Lift your lower back, middle back, upper back, all the way off the ground. Take a breath in here. And like it's a massage, slowly release one vertebrae at a time back down towards the ground. Breathe in at the base. Exhale, control this. Lift. Breathe in at the top. And control your way back down. So yes, we've done these bridges. It's so important to keep bridges in your day if you can. Keep going as I talk. Working with that slow control movement, and then breath in at the top. Exhale, controlling back down. So bridges are the reverse of sitting. And I'm guessing you sit a lot. As mamas, we do. It just happens. So activating through your back body, your glutes, through your back, your hamstrings even. Stretching out through your hip flexors. It's a beautiful way to support and engage your core. We're working with gravity here, so lying down, it's much easier to engage through your abdominals, particularly if you have diastasis recti, abdominal separation, and controlling back down. One thing to note on a bridge, never look to the side when your hips are lifted. You want your head facing the ceiling. This is the last one here, all the way up, and then control it all the way back down. Lifting your right leg up, cross your right ankle over that left knee. Stay there if that is enough. If you want more, lift the left foot off the ground and place your hands around that left thigh. If you're flexible and you're wanting more, you can place your hands around your left shin. Taking one more breath in here and letting go. Slowly release, swap to the other side, and again breathe here. Allowing your body to soften, allowing your body to surrender. In pregnancy and birth, we often talk about surrender. And in motherhood, postpartum, it's so important that you surrender. Even though sometimes we feel like we can't, even though we feel like we have to keep pushing and keep going and keep going and keep going. Stop. Don't. Say no. Do what you need to stop. Even if just for a moment. 2 more deep breaths here. Breathe it in. As you exhale, let go of any tension you are holding. Last one here. Big breath. Just let it go. Beautiful. Releasing. Roll your way onto your side and then up into all fours. Knees go wide, hands go wide. Let's go for those circles, hip circles. And circle back the other way. Alright, finding stillness, let those knees come underneath the hips, hands underneath your shoulders, open your chest, look up, breathe in. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tail. Again, breathe, look up. Exhale and round. Last one here, big breath. And down. Come back to stillness, right hand, reach it out to the side or to the ceiling. Thread the needle as we come through the gap. Breathe again, reach up. Exhale and thread. Last one, breathe in, reach up. And exhale and thread. Lift the hand up. Place the hand back down, other side. Now lift left hand. Exhale, thread. Breathe, reach up. Exhale and thread. Again, breathe, reach. Exhale and thread. Lift the hand all the way up, place the hand back and down. From here, send your right foot back behind you. Get the stretch through that calf. And then let it go and come forward. And then press back. So your ankle pumping here can be done down onto the elbows if you prefer that. There is a connection between tightness in your calf and tightness in your back. There's a connection with so many areas of the body, it's crazy. So you really need to stretch out the whole body. And then release. Other side. And the thing about resting, when we talk about resting or stretching and movement, slowing down, is we're also helping to release tension in the body, rebalance your hormones, and also thinking about the connective tissue. So we spoke already about the linear elbow or the connective tissue, the fascia, and by stretching out, even that thread the needle, it's so good for your body to stretch and move. Otherwise you just get tight, and tight points and tightness pulls the muscles, and it doesn't help your healing, it doesn't help your diastasis. Okay, let's release. From here, it's just dropping those elbows down a little bit forward of your shoulders, and then just stretching those hips back high. And then release and come again. Elbows and shoulders in line. Do it again, press back. Just a gentle stretch. And release. So I'm going to work with a breath in here to stretch, hips go high. And release. One more like this. Breathe, open. And release. Crawl your hands back, come through to a comfortable seat. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Breathe in, shoulders go up, exhale, back and down. Last one. And out. Gently drop your ear over to your shoulder. Stay here, breathe. The top hand can come up, over, and just gently place that hand onto the top ear. Breathe here. Slow release. Head comes up and over to the other side. Again, top hand reaches up and over. Breathe here. And very slowly release, roll the shoulders, shake your head, and then take a big breath here. Let it go. And well done. You have prioritized you, which is so important, and I want to thank you for doing it for yourself, because it's so easy to skip over the rest stage But it is so, so important, because even it feels like you're taking 2 steps backwards to be here right now, but trust me, you're so far forward of where you think you may be. If you don't put the rest in, you're not going to get the results that you need. So deep breathing, slow, beautiful stretches helps your body in your recovery. Of course, as always, drop any questions below. I will be more than happy to answer those for you. And I will see you right back here tomorrow for our final day of our 7-day challenge.
For more videos just like this, visit PregActive.com.